To add Judge.me reviews to your Shopify store, you first need to install the application. Head to the Shopify App Store and search for Judge.me product reviews. Click the Add Application button and follow the prompts to install it on your store. Judge.me offers a generous free plan that is perfect for getting started, providing unlimited review requests and the ability to display star ratings on your product pages and collection pages. Once the installation is complete, the app will walk you through an initial setup wizard to help you configure your most essential settings right away. After installation, the core review widgets are typically added to your theme automatically, but you should verify this. Navigate to your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, and then click Customize next to your live theme. Open a product page to check if the review widget appears below your product description, and also check a collection page to see if the star ratings are visible under your product titles. If they are missing, you may need to manually add the widget code. You can find detailed placement instructions inside the Judge.me dashboard under Settings, in the Integrations section, where you can choose to automatically install the widgets or get the snippet code to paste directly into your theme's liquid files. Configuring your review request emails is the most important step for gathering social proof. Inside the Judge.me dashboard, go to Settings and then Emails. Here you can customize the look and the content of the review request that is automatically sent to your customers after they make a purchase. You can adjust the sending delay, the email subject line, and the body text. A good strategy is to set the delay to match the time it takes for your customer to receive and use the product, perhaps 7 to 14 days. You can also enable the option to offer a discount coupon in exchange for a photo or video review, which dramatically increases your collection of visual user-generated content. Finally, you can fine-tune how the reviews appear on your storefront. In the Judge.me settings, explore the review widget and star rating sections to control colors, fonts, and sizing so they match your brand perfectly. You can enable features like the Reviews Carousel, which showcases customer photos on your homepage, or set up the Q&A widget. Be sure to manage your reviews regularly from the main dashboard, where you can publish, reply to, or feature your best customer testimonials. This active management closes the review loop, shows customers that their voice is heard, and builds a powerful trust signal that will convert new visitors into buyers.